Hi there guys! I'm going to show you something really cool that I didn't know until I started growing raspberries myself. They talk about first year canes, second year canes, and 3-year canes. I'm going to show you a very easy way to start telling them apart. Okay? So our first year canes, we can see them here. They are a green stalk all the way down to the roots and to the ground. You can feel them gently. And they're soft. It would be very easy to accidentally break them or snap them. They remind me of tomato stems. The coloring, the way they pop up, things like that. You also can see that they usually have these giant, really large, beautiful leaves on them. You will never see any buds on them at this point. They're a brand new growth this spring. Right next to it, I have a second year growth. This growth has been overwintered. This stalk looked like this at the beginning of last spring, and it continued to grow and grow and grow and became this really long cane you see today. And during the winter, it looked like this brown, hard stick sticking out of the ground. This spring, these nubs started to form with the green, soft, new growth. This reminds me very similarly to a fruit tree, an apple tree. The top of the fruit tree, or the raspberry cane, you see the new buds. Do you see those buds? Yeah. So this raspberry will provide fruit for our family this year. This one again is another first year. So that's great. I have 2 more first years coming from this little bunch of raspberries. So that means next year I'll have 2 canes to pick raspberries off of, where this year I only had 1. So that's always a bonus. You also will see this right here, which was a second year or 3rd year cane that came up this spring and didn't have any new growth or any green buds. Typically 3rd or 4th years will do this. They do not produce forever. They have to continue to grow these new canes to do so. So when that happens, I tend to cut these down. I left this one a little bit longer so it was easy for you guys to see. And then these guys, again, are older canes, right? You can tell the older canes because they look like that really hard stick. And they feel very dry, and they have no green growth on them. So I'm super excited. So this year we'll have this cane that will provide us fruit for our family. And then the following year I'll have this cane and this cane providing us fruit for our family. I hope that helped, guys. Now you should be able to identify the 3 different types of raspberry canes: a first year or new growth, a second year or producing raspberry, and a 3rd year or done spent raspberry cane. I see you guys next time.